Marshall Hall, known professionally as a Biz Markie, was an American rapper, singer, DJ, record producer, actor, comedian, and writer. His family. Spouse name Tara Hall. Spouse Tara Hall was a constant support during the rapper's illness, and she was at her side when he said his last goodbyes. He grew up with 5 siblings in Egg Harbor, New Jersey. He also taught the method of beatboxing in an episode of children's show Yo Gabba Gabba. The couple never revealed much about their personal life. On July 1, 2021, rumor of his death circulated on Twitter. Family. With his wife. He had an estimated net worth of $1 million. He was born in Manhattan, in the neighborhood of Harlem. He was born on April 8, 1964. He was raised on Long Island. Regarding the original of his stage name, the rapper said, "Biz comes from the first hip-hop tape I heard." He began his career in New York City nightclubs and later gained regional recognition by performing at colleges in Washington DC, Maryland, Virginia, and Pennsylvania. He said his nickname in my neighborhood was Markie. He was interviewed in 1986 cult documentary Big Fun in the Big Town. He released his debut album Going Off in 1988, which attracted a fair amount of attention, largely due to the lead singer "Make the Music with Your Mouth" Biz. On October 10, 1989, his second album, The Biz Never Sleeps, was released on Cold Chilling, Warner Brothers. Album Just a Friend was ranked 81st on VHP's 100 Greatest One-Hit Wonders in 2000 and later at number 100 on VH1's 100 Greatest Song of Hip Hop in 2008. His third album, Album One Need a Haircut, was released on August 27, 1991 on Cold Chilling, Warner Brothers. He also made numerous guest appearances with the Beastie Boys on Check Your Head 1992, Communication 1994, Hello Nasty 1998, and their anthology The Sounds of Science 1999. Year of active 1985 to 2021. In 2002, he appeared in Men in Black 2 with Will Smith and Tommy Lee Jones, playing an alien parody of himself, whose native language sounded exactly like beatboxing. Between 2002 and 2003, he appeared in episode 5 of the TV series Grassland, playing himself as a nightclub DJ. 2003, he appeared in the national television series Home Fox, performing a series of voiceover characters featured in a variety of episodes. In 2004, his song Vapors appeared on the soundtrack of the Rockstar video game Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, which featured an old school hip hop radio station, Playback FM. Began opening in 2008 for the Chris Rock's No Apology tour. In December 2009, he appeared in a Radio Shack commercial, hitting the line, "Oh snap, guess what I saw?" from his song Just Ran. In 2020, he started hosting a radio show on Sirius XM on LL Cool Jazz, Rock and Bell Radio every weekend. In April 2020, he was hospitalized due to severe complication from the type 2 diabetes. In December 2020, it was reported that he was staying in rehabilitation facility as a result of stroke he had suffered after going in a diabetic coma. On July 16, 2021, he died at the Baltimore hospital. His death reported to have happened at 6:25 p.m. He was 57 years old.